All right, this should be a pretty quick one. I'm just going to show you how you can use my default settings and make them your own. So if you go to your current project, open up the captain's racks, go to default presets. Let's grab my saturator for one. All right, so right out of the bat, I like my saturator to just be a soft clipper. So I've got it set that way. Now, you can hit save and get a saved copy in your library, or you can just right click and then save as the default preset. Do you want to override it? Sure do. That easy. So yeah. The other kind of default I have is I have a default MIDI track. I like my MIDI tracks to come up with the pitch wheel. So all you got to do to make that, drag it over, grab this, right click it, say save as default MIDI track. Do you want to overwrite it? Click yes. That's simple. Anyway, as always, if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.